the discussion on the automotive skills, it's important from the perspective that the skills are the enabler of the transformation, are the enabler of the innovation of the automotive sector. But we are not talking just about the transformation in the industrial sector automotive as it is, but we are talking about the transformation of the education and training system as such.
We are living in an aging world in which talent is getting increasingly scarce, and the talent that is there isn't trained properly, doesn't have the right skills. So both on a qualitative level as on a quantity level, we have a workforce challenge, and if we don't fix that challenge, we're going to lose out in international competition, which is increasingly important.
We are all involved in this transformation, speaking about industry, education training providers, social partners, regions. But all levels are important, and if it's regional authorities, if it's a national level, and of course European. And policymakers at those levels, and as said, should be the enablers of that while listening, of course, to the needs of all the involved players.
And we have a lot of infrastructures to identify the right skills, to train the right skills, to update the right skills. If I think about what is the main policy action, is to find a way to finance that training trade-off. Of course, employers should pay in as well. They stand to benefit from a more skilled workforce. But given the international competition that we're in, as a society, we have a clear stake in making sure that that lifelong learning and employability challenge is properly mitigated in order for us to stay competitive in a geopolitical, very uncertain environment.